Alright guys, this is my garden pot. Alright, you see the condition. Oh man, it's a mess right now, but guess what? I want to show you how I can bring back this pot. Look, it really shine. And this is what I'm going to be using. Some dirt and these leaves. Alright? Okay, so hold on, stay tuned. Alright guys, you see the condition of this pot? The reason why it's like this is because it cooked from the smoke. So my thing is to show you how I can bring back this pot with a few stones, some grass and some dirt. All right, with a little water. What happened is we don't remember the natural way no more. I mean, it's easy. When you go to the store, it's kind of, you get product that make it easy. But guess what? If you don't have that product, what will you do? How will you wash your pot? You know what I'm saying? So these are ways we got to remember. You can't forget these things, man. So all you're using, grass, dirt, what? You pick up grass, leaf, whatever you can, and dirt. Okay, let me just wash off a little bit that you can see how it start looking. But what I'm saying to you guys is, this is really to show you guys ways to scrub your pot, grass, dirt, and you bring the pot back like how it was. Okay, so now this is the color of the pot. I'm not gonna scrub it no more because it's in one cook and it's back the same color. But I just want to show you guys ways that you could do stuff if you living off the grid. You ain't got to ta-da! Ready for the pot, ready for the fire. Okay? So as black as it was, look the color of it now. Peace.